Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. My name is Shekhar. This is the next tutorial in that we are going to get a variable name assigning multi-values. As we are taking here three values x, comma y, comma z, and we are providing the its variable name is x, y, and z. We are providing its value. Very first is double hundred comma Rahul, comma second is double hundred comma Sahul, third value is double hundred comma Sanjay. The three value has indicated to the three variable x, y, z using by comma, separated by comma, and we are printing the value x, and next we are printing the value y, and then next we are printing the same value with the z. So we can see it step by step here. The three value we have passed that we can see here, and the next we have used the print value for the three times. We are running it, and we are getting the value. First value is Rahul, second is Sahul, and last is Sanjay. As we can see the new line. These three values not in the same line, it's a separate lines from top to bottom as mentioned here. And for the more attention, for more clearance of the value, we are providing it like value of x is equal to value of x is colon value is passed like x. So if we use it, the clarity will there. What kind of value is there? As we have seen the three value in output, as we can see the three value that's not showing what's which value is it is. So we are using the double dotted comma and we are passing the value like value of x, value of y is y, and value of z is z. So once we'll run this particular program, then we'll get it clearance which kind of value is there. So we have already done this. So we are going to run the program. Once we run the program, then we can see value of x is Rahul and value of y is Sahul. Last value of z is Sanjay, and it's looking good. So we should follow this step because it's clearance and even codes look better, and we are selecting all the codes that we have created and we are making it as a comment control plus backspace. And the next we are going to the next logic for the multi-values, applying multi-values. We have taken three variable a, b, c. A is equal to b, b is equal to c, is equal to value Chandra. Now Chandu. Mention that a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to Chandu. Print a. Once we print a, that will print the value of Chandu. Prints b, that will also print the value of Chandu. Print c, that will also print the value of Chandu. So we have taken three value R variable, three variables A, B, C are having same value Chandu. If the variables are equal to A, B, C, then we'll get the same value only. So we are printing the value with the indentation with the using proper commenting what kind of value is it. So we have also used here the same format. Value of A is value of B is, and next is value of C is. So if you follow it, it's become the codes are looking better, and there is no any kinds of problem that we have not seen any problem. So we get the proper output. And the same one in the last C, we have also used the value of C is, so we'll get the parents for this particular code also. In the three variable are there, ABC are equal to each other and their value is same one as yeah, Chandu. So we run, we can see the output. Value of A is Chandu, value of B is Chandu, value of C is Chandu. So all three values are same as. So for now, we are going to comment, select the latest code. We have mentioned here three variable ABC is equal, and then we'll move to the next. So we have shift and then back arrow. We are selecting the codes. After selecting, we have control plus backspace. Yeah, backspace. Yeah, it is done. Next is we are going to take a variable. In that variable, we have taken the friends and friends name maybe if friends is equal to in the yeah big braces. Inside we have mentioned the value like double inverted comma. Inside we mention Shekhar and then comma. Inside the next quotes we have mentioned the Chandu and then next value is double inverted comma. It is maybe Amit. No, it's not Amit. It's Munna. This three name is mine only. So yeah, we are just going to the next line and mentioning A comma B comma C because we have taken three values of friends and they are uh, equaling the same value ABC is equal to friends. The friends value three values Shekhar, Chandu and Munna. So we have equal to A comma B comma C is equal to friends. So we print the value of A, the output will be the Shekhar. Printing value of B, output will be the Chandu. Printing the value of C, output should become the Munna. So after printing A, B, C value, we are running the codes, then we are getting the value as. First is Shekhar, second is Chandu, and third value is Munna. Then after we are just using the comment inside by mentioning the value of A. Value of A is column is a column mentioning the A. The same way we have copy and paste or writing the codes again and over again for proper indentation and clearance of the code. We are doing the same codes by different way. So we are just going step by step. Value of A is colon, value of B is colon B, value of C is colon C. So we have already written this three line of code of printing and we'll see the output also. So after it, once we'll run the code, then we can see output also. So we have already run codes. We have already written the code. So we are going to run the code. Once we'll run the code, then we can see here output. Value of A is Shekhar, value of B is Chandu, value of C is Mun. So we can see here the value of that is given to the program. It is coming in the output. So this is also done. So we can see the codes. If we use the logic here, that is very important for programming. The previous two program we have done, that is here you can see this is the list inside the code inside the the no, no, what?